As we envision the next phase of growth, allow me to share 5 developments that Malaysia is pursuing in advancing the Islamic financial ecosystem. First, we are encouraging impactful re-engineering of finance. By expanding the use of risk-sharing structures like musyarakah and mudarabah, Islamic financial solutions can be more diverse than transactional debt, offering distinct risk-reward propositions. The rollout of iCita last month, supported by 100 million fund from the government to encourage risk-sharing innovation, aims to support more diverse application of Sharia contracts for viable projects that bring tangible benefits to Malaysia. To complement this initiative, we are actively reviewing the Sharia contracts and the investment account policies to provide more conducive regulatory environment for investment intermediation. We hope the industry will fully optimize these initiatives to test innovative solutions. Second, we are redefining what inclusive development looks like. Through innovative integration of Islamic social finance with mainstream financial systems, we seek to chart a new frontier in finance where social purpose and commercial viability thus converge. The iTikat program, powered by blended finance, is not just a pilot. It is a proof of concept. It shows how Islamic finance can be mobilized to uplift communities, and Islamic banks working hand in hand with state religious authorities and development partners are delivering tangible outcomes such as increased employment and skill sets. I'm encouraged to see the expansion of the iTikat program for financial protection today, which is supported by the government's matching grant of 5 million for Ghaffour contributions. Thank you, Emma Prime Minister. The collaboration between banks and Ghaffour operators further enriches this ecosystem. The challenge now is to scale it up. We must move from selected success to systemic transformation. The tools are in place, the partnerships are forming, the time is to accelerate now. Third, Malaysia is positioning Islamic finance as the vanguard of 2 global growth frontiers. First is the halal economy, and second, sustainable finance. These are not niche markets. They are trillion-dollar opportunities waiting to be unlocked. Through the MIFC Leadership Council, we have laid strategic groundwork for global connectivity. Stronger execution by industry is now paramount. That is why we are supportive of the formation of the MIFC Business Network, or MBN, as the next phase of MLC transition. MBN, as a coalition of industry champions, will be pertinent in charting our way forward. They will be tasked with deepening sectoral collaboration, securing tangible business outcomes, and scaling impact in Malaysia and beyond. I'm pleased to announce, there's 9 industry players comprising entities from banking, Ghaffour, capital markets, and the ancillary services have committed to be the founding members of the MBN. Invitation for wider participation from industry players will be announced soon. The bank, alongside other regulators and key stakeholders, will remain committed to supporting the industry in advancing the MIFC agenda. Fourth, Negara Malaysia plans to move forward with a new benchmark. Beginning 1st July 2027, the Malaysian Islamic Overnight Rate, or we call it the MYOR-i, will become the mandatory reference rate for Islamic financial products. This is not just a technical adjustment, it is a structural transformation. As the world's first transaction-based Islamic benchmark rate, MYOR-i brings transparency, consistency, and Sharia alignment to the heart of Islamic finance. The fifth and final frontier in advancing Islamic finance is talent, and the ideas and innovation that talent can unlock. Institutions like INSEAF University are evolving beyond education into engines of innovation, embedding the Maqasid Shariah into economic and policy frameworks. Regionally, IPFIM is scaling up capacity through the enhanced associate qualification in Islamic finance, now tailored for the ASEAN markets. With country-specific modules for Brunei, Indonesia, the Philippines, and Singapore, this program is building a workforce that is not only technically proficient, but regionally attuned and innovation-ready. The need is clear. If we want Islamic finance to lead, we must invest to build and nurture talent that can imagine, design, and deliver its future.
Muslim families to improve yields and incomes.